Okay, so let's check whether the local bottom of Bitcoin is confirmed and we need to attack and we need to buy, and or we have to just keep our shorts on. Okay, and at last let's check into some crypto news. Okay, so let's get started straight to the BTC chart. Okay, so right now if you see the BTC chart, it's right here. It's just dangling, it's going from down, 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 and it's here, right? Okay, so right now what it needs to do, as you all know, that it needs to break this key resistance over here. Once it breaks that, they are attacking all our big long spot positions. Okay, till then we have to just wait and watch. Okay, so right now BTC is going up, right? It needs to break this key resistance right here, and then we can attack all into all our altcoin once it breaks. But till then we have to just wait and watch. Okay, so right now we see that I'll go on a 30-minute chart so you can see it properly. Okay, so right now BTC is here. As you all know, it needs to break that, right? So I'll show you 1 second. Okay, so right now BTC is here, right? It's going to dangle, right? You can say this is the bullish part. Okay, so once BTC from here, it'll go here, 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 and then again it'll come here, again it'll go here, and then again last one over here, you can say it will break, right? So that's your bullish part. Once it breaks that, we enter all our long position on every altcoin. Okay, so once it breaks, you can see 27,526. Okay, and it keeps going up, 27,526. Once it breaks that, we need to enter all our long, and we need to enter all our long spot buy position on all the altcoins. Okay, 27,500 27,500 you can keep there. Okay, so once it breaks and keeps going up. Okay, but now let's me talk about the bearish if Bitcoin does this. Okay, so right now let's make it red and let me show you. Okay, so this is the bullish part when it breaks 27,500. Okay, the bearish part is Bitcoin will go here, it'll go up, 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 and it'll show that it's going up the same way, but it'll go up here and then straight down. Okay, so once it breaks, you can say this key support. Okay, here you can say this key support at around 27,300, right? 27,300. Then we know it's going to go down. Then we can short all the altcoins. Remember, 27,300. If it goes down below that, we need to short all the altcoins. Okay, so that's for your bullish and bearish of BTC. Okay, so now let's talk about the bullish and bearish of your other altcoins. Okay, so now let's go into your Ethereum chart. Okay, so for Ethereum chart, let's go on a 4 chart. Okay, so right now if you took yesterday's short, it's good, but till now you can enter your short right here. If you are going to re-enter, only if BTC breaks that 27,300, right, we enter a short. And if you see, it's supporting this trend line, right? Supporting this trend line. Let me make it properly so you can all can see. Yeah, it's supporting this trend line. But let's go on a 30-minute chart and see which trend line is supporting. Okay, let's remove this red mark, this mark here, then this marks here, and here one more. Let's go big time. Let's go and big this and let's see. Okay, so right now it's supporting here. You can see supporting here, then going here, right? Yep. It's okay. So it's still it didn't break anyway. So now let's go on a 4 chart as you all have seen. And let's take a tool. Let's make it nice. Okay. So right now Ethereum's here, right? So for Ethereum, if it's the bearish, okay, so you're pretty short into your take profit. So if Ethereum as if BTC doesn't, if BTC breaks that support of 27,500, right? 20,000 21 sorry 27,300. Okay, so it's here. If BTC breaks this range at 27,000 here, 27,300, right here at this range, if it breaks that support, now for Ethereum chart, let's go and see. If it breaks that support, 27,300, right? It breaks that support, then we need to short all the altcoin. If it breaks that support, we need to enter a short right here for Ethereum at 1,853 if BTC breaks that 27,300, and then we need to put our take profit for for a short position of Ethereum at around 1773. Okay, so I got it right. So you'll take entry here and short. But if BTC breaks that 27,500, right, and it keeps going up, the bullish part is we enter all our spots. Okay, so we start entering. Say BTC breaks at 27,500, right? We enter all our longs right here. Okay, so remember we enter all our longs, and it's mostly going to go up because it's going to break that big resistance line of BTC of a 4 resistance, right? So now let's talk into your next chart, which is your AVAX chart. Okay, so for AVAX chart, as you can see, AVAX chart is almost, it's breaking, it's breaking, but it still didn't break. But if, now let's talk about your bullish and bearish. Okay, so if BTC breaks that 27,700, bullish part will be we enter all our longs right here. Okay, and it'll keep going up. Okay, once BTC breaks that 27,500. But my bearish part will be this, the AVAX chart. Okay, so if BTC breaks that support of 27,300, then we short this, we enter once it breaks this key support at around $16 one AVAX, we enter a short position and we put our profit at around $14.26. Okay, so here are some big short plays. Okay, I'll write it over here, the big short plays right now. SHORT, short entry here, put a short entry here and a short TP right here. Okay, so don't miss the short entries, because yesterday I didn't miss, but I took it and I got some good gains, so I'm making it now. So you take your short entry at around $16 for AVAX, $16.38. If it breaks this key support, once it will break here, it will break this and then all the way take profit to $14.26. Now let's check out the next chart, which is your Solana chart. Okay, so for Solana chart also the same thing. If BTC, it keeps supporting this resistance line, right? Yeah. Okay, so wait, let's see. Let's go on a 30 minutes now and let's put it perfect so that some of y'all who don't know how to draw trend also trend line. This is this. So right now it's here. Okay, let's see this one here. Okay, you can see here. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here you can see it here. Okay, so now let's check on your 4 chart. Let's put it nicely so all can see here. So right now, if BTC, as you know, doesn't break, BTC doesn't break 27,500, doesn't break, then we enter our shorts right here at around $21 per Solana chart, $21.30. There we enter a short if BTC breaks that support at 27,300, and we put our take profits for your Solana at here $19.88. Okay, but if, now let me talk about bullish. Okay, yeah, bullish. If BTC breaks that 27,500, right? If it breaks, then this is also mostly going to break, and then we enter all our longs right here. Okay, once it breaks, makes support, we enter all our longs here. Okay, so that's for your Solana chart. Now let's talk about your next chart, which is your dot chart. Okay, so dot, if yesterday you took your short, was a good short from here to here. Okay, so now let's change. I already took my profits. Okay, so now that's your, yeah. Okay, so now your next TP. Okay, so if BTC doesn't break this also, if BTC doesn't break that 27,500, right, put a, if BTC breaks, makes support, we enter all our longs, right? We enter all our longs as usual. But now the bearish, the same, bearish also same, only the range is different, right? So if BTC breaks as support at 27,300, right, we enter a short entry right here at around $5.78, and you put a take profits of your dot around $5.25. Okay, so remember, once it breaks, we enter a short. BTC breaks 27,300, we enter all our short. Okay, so now let's talk about the ADA chart. Okay, so ADA also, if you are took good, you're taking the short, making some cash. Okay, so till now, if right now, okay, so ADA yesterday y'all couldn't take, right? So I don't think y'all got, because we started the short from here. Okay, so the same ADA, if BTC breaks, we take a short entry here at 0.38 cents and take profit around 0.35 cents. If BTC breaks that support at 27,300, right, we short all. If it doesn't break, it breaks that resistance line at 27,500, right, we long everything. Okay, so your longs will be here, your bullish part will be here. So then it breaks this, trend line, what is over here for you. It breaks this trend line from here, breaks this. Once BTC breaks, now that automatically it will break. Okay, BTC breaks at 27,500, right, all the coins, all the altcoins will break their resistance line also. Okay, so till now you can see it's here. Okay, so it's here. So once BTC breaks that 27,000, you can enter all our longs also for ADA. Okay, so now let's talk about your next chart, which is your Algorand chart. Okay, so Algorand, we don't need to do anything, we can only buy once BTC breaks that 27,300. Will attack on Algorand, because Algorand, this guy is just keep going down. We don't know how long it will keep going down. We can't say that it will go here, because it's so much bottomed out. Right, see, on a daily you'll come to know. I'll show you on the daily. Okay, so see, on a daily it went here one time, then the second time is here, third time. So it's not probably it will go right now only, it takes months to go, right? It can go, it's not like it won't go, but it's no use of shorting this guy. Okay, so right now we just look at algo. Once BTC breaks at 27,000, supporting this trend line, you can see, right, night broke, see, it broke this trend line. But once BTC breaks at 27,500, right, we have to long everything. One algo you have to keep in mind. Okay, till then we'll just watch it algo. Okay, so now let's talk about the next chart, which is your near chart. Okay, so for a near chart also, near chart, let's see. Yep. Okay, so for your near chart right here. Okay, so I took yesterday short code, making some money. Okay, so now let's see the next. We took our take profits right here, right? So now let's put your TPs right here and your short entries right here. Okay, now let's make it a little bit. Okay, so right now if BTC doesn't break at 27,500, right, we put our short entries right here. We'll make it red. Put a short entries right here for your near chart, $1.89, and it put a short take profit at around $1.72. Okay, but if BTC breaks, it will break this resistance line. Okay, and then we enter all our longs here. If BTC breaks 27,500, if BTC breaks the support of 27,300, right, we enter a short, because everything is going to go down. So now let's talk about the next chart, which is your phantom chart. Okay, so phantom is here only, just close by, so you don't, no need to long and short. But if you took your short entry yesterday over here, then carry on all the way here. Right now you don't short, don't long, but if BTC breaks at 27,500, right, we need to enter longs. Okay, so yesterday's shorts are still in action. We'll keep our take profits, put our stop loss right here. We keep our profits, we keep our little take profits, and we put our close stop loss. Because if BTC breaks, then everything is going to go up, right? So that's for your phantom chart also, that's still in procedure, the positions. Because taking from year to year short is of no worth, so I'm telling you. People who took it here is good entry, keep it there. Put your trailing stop loss anyway here you can put. Okay, so now let's talk of your next chart. Sorry, now let's check into the trends. Okay, which else we can short, let's see. the trends. Okay, so right now this is a trend. So dot is down. Less than a daily if anything pumped, if any trend is there. With TT only pumped. Then nothing else is there. Okay, let's check into render, then render OP. Let's check into those, the trends, what were they? Because those guys will keep going up, right? Let's check into that. Let's check into Woo. Okay, so Woo also is going. Well, took a shot right here. Woo is taking so long to go down. I don't know why it's taking long. Taking so long to go down. Woo. Let's check into the other one. Let's check into render with render. 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 Okay, yeah, render here. Okay, so render also. Okay, so those only shots you take. These shots are not that much. It is that much, but it's going so slow down. But only render is going fast and quick. Okay, so we'll take those shots, and now let's get straight into some crypto news. Okay, so the first news is 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝘁 tokenomics announcement before mainnet launch. Okay, so 𝗧 has not released their token, that as we know, and they announced their tokenomics what will be. They also announced their mainnet pre-sale everything of their token 𝗧, and they so we need to attack this before the mainnet. We need to attack when it release after some months. Okay, it will mostly be on a good exchange like Binance and I've already list. Okay, so this is the tokenomics of 𝗧 is this. Okay, so wait 1 second. Okay, so here this is the tokenomics. 𝗧 token program community access program. Okay, so developers grant they also get, then 𝗧 delegators everything they're going to get. Okay, so now let's talk about next news. We need to keep an eye on 𝗧 after it launches on Binance. Okay, so now let's talk about the next news, which is Ethereum. Ethereum's roadmap is come, right? These three events are the next major milestone after the 𝗧𝗶𝗺. Okay, so as you know that the 𝗧𝗶𝗺 upgrade recently happened, right, of Ethereum. So now there are three next new major milestones of Ethereum. Okay, but this milestone is going to happen it's still in procedure, and it's going to take 2 more years for this new update to happen. So it's not so soon, it's going to take some time. Okay, so as I read it over here. Okay, so now let's talk about the next news, which is your so 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀, as you know that they tweeted, right, that orange dot 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀 is hyped up orange ball on Twitter, revealed to be an L2 client. Okay, so right now it's going to be a L2 client. Okay, so what it's going to do is it's going to be a consensus client on optimistic rollups. Okay, so and this is going to take it's going to be it's still in development for optimistic for it's going to be a optimistic client. Sorry, it's going to be a consensus client for optimistic, right? So it's going to take several months to as it's going to be live, right, on optimistic. So this is kind of a bullish news for OP. Okay, optimistic rollups or layer 2 on Ethereum, right? So we need to keep an eye on this also. It's going to take several months, so it's a good we can take a good long-term buys of OP for several months of the L2 rollups on OP, right? So now let's talk about next news, and the name of this L2 client, right? Consensus client is going to be, they named it Maggie. Okay, see here, they named that thing called Maggie. Okay, so now let's talk about next news. It's not a new chain, it's going to be a consensus client on OP. Okay, so now let's talk about next news, which is Cardano powered algorithm stable 𝗧𝗫𝗺𝗀 achieves major milestone. Okay, so right now the Cardano ecosystem is growing. As we know, we can see the TVL also. If you see right here, I'll just show you here. Okay, so you can see here, right here. Okay, so this is the TVL of ADA, right? Okay, so as you know that the ADA price was just going down, but if you see in 2023 the TVL of ADA is just getting pumped up. See, you can see. If I go close, you can see that it's keep going up. It's keep going up. So once the TVL goes, the price is automatically going to go up. So we need to keep an eyes on ADA also coin token, and the Deji stable coin, which is there on ADA, right? They have achieved this milestone of over 4 million coins in circulation. Okay, so people are minting this Deji coin. Okay, and the TVL also of ADA is going up, so we need to keep an eye on ADA also in the coming weeks, right? Okay, so now let's talk for next news, which is your Aptos introduced delegate staking to increase participation in staking on the network. Okay, so right now Aptos they introduced this feature, delegating staking on the Aptos network, right? So what delegating staking, I will say, if some of you don't know, de- see, delegating staking is staking without, so the guys who are running the nodes, right? So delegating staking, what it does, so you don't need to be a validator. You don't need to set up a node and run the node to get. So you can stake without having a node. That's called delegating staking. So stake without running nodes. Okay. So that's in short is delegating staking, and Aptos introduced it to their network. Okay. So now this is kind of a bullish news for they're offering delegated staking, right? So the Aptos price also people are going to stake. So it's kind of bullish news for Aptos. Okay. So that's for your crypto news. If you like this premier content, just hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, ping the notification bell on so you don't miss content like this and you're early to watch. Okay, so peace out, crypto fam.